Here we are. Broadway and Harrison Street, Shelbyville, which is 44 and 9. But this whole block's coming down, from what I guess. That's the old Adams building, I guess the old Strand movie theater, and I think it used to be a bunch of things. Look inside that. See the firewalls and the bricks. I got the sun in my eyes, so I can't really see anything in the refrigerator. Nope. All right. Next to the First Baptist Church. And we got some thunderstorms trying to develop, but they are topping out and falling apart. Again, it is Tuesday, June 24th, 5:05 p.m. 2025. About 95 degrees with 72% humidity. It's hot, and I'm on the bike. I got to ride home west about 5 blocks, and then up 5 blocks, and then 3 more blocks. So I'll try to get some more of this tomorrow. I got to work, so I don't know. I'm just down the street. I don't have a tripod for my phone yet. I can set it up, but I'll figure something out. I'll definitely record more. Oops. Shelbyville's finest. Heading east. That's a good band, head east. All right, truth, peace, freedom, love to all.